So today I have three different lock toppers to show you. This is the first one. This is a 13 by 7 inches lace topper. When I say 13 by 7, it means that it extends 13 inches from ear to ear and then 7 inches from front to back. It's a micro lock topper, human hair. It's 16 inches of locks. So it's for anyone suffering extensive hair loss where the entire front and crown of your head is lost, but you still have locks at the back. And in order for this unit to suit you, your locks have to match this size and this length. Okay, so if your locks are not this size and this length, you should order one that will match the size and the length of your locks. So I'm just going to put this on for you to see. This has adjustable straps at the back that you can adjust to give a secure fit. So this is how nicely this one sits on the head. So see where the locks get to. Blends in so nicely and gives you that natural look. So in an instant, your locks are restored, your confidence is restored. And in fact, this particular unit is so full that it even covers up all of my own locks at the back. So if you decide to even wear it as a full wig, you're not out of order. So this is what it looks like at the back. If I decide to put it up in a ponytail, it can cover up all of my own hair at the back. But if I leave it to fall free, it's not going to cover. My own hair is still going to show at the back. This was made to have an elastic band, and then it also has clips at the back to clip onto your own locks. So you can wear this without glue, but to wear it without glue means that you cannot put it up in a ponytail, because if you put it in a ponytail, this part is going to lift. So you need to glue this part down if you want to put it in a ponytail, and also the front as well. You need to, but if you just want to wear it down, just freestyle, free flow, you can wear it without glue. You just want to wear it down like this, you are good to go without glue. Okay, so let's try the second one. This is also 14 this is 14 inches. Yeah, it's not 16 inches, this is 14 inches, but it's smaller lace size. This is 13 by 4. So this is a 13 by 4. So it's for people with hair loss is for people that their hair loss just extends to about this area, just the 4-inch mark. Because if your hair loss extends beyond this portion, you're going to have a gap and open space here. So just put this on. And then of course your own locks will take over from this point at the back. It's meant to replace thinning edges and thinning frontal hair. So I'm going to put the links to these in the description box if you want to order any one of these. And if they get sold out before you get to see this video, you can always sign up for a notification so you get notified once it's back in stock, or you can place a custom order. This is the third one. This is shorter. This is about 6 inches of locks, and this is a 13 by 5 lace front. So we make different sizes of lace toppers. We make all manner of sizes. There's almost no size that we cannot make. So this is how, of course, this will be for someone with short locks. And also when you install, or when your loctician installs, depending on who is doing your installation, Feel free to trim, like if this part is long for you, you trim it off. Okay, so trim to suit your look. So that's it. So head over to www.zomawigs.com to check out our other lock toppers that we have and place your orders. Bye.